The subject of living and non-living things is part of biological science. Non means not. Deciding whether something is living or non-living is done by looking at it. This is called observing. What things or features can we notice about the object? We group living and non-living things by their observable features. By grouping things like this, we can more easily talk about them. This helps us to understand them and share information about them. There are 7 special features we observe to figure out if something is living. Let's look at these features. Growth. Does it grow and change size over time? The dog grows fast. The ball does not change at all. Movement. Can it move by itself? Plants can move their stems and leaves. They do it slowly so we may not notice. The dog happily moves toward its owner. The ball does not seem interested. Sensitivity. Does it respond to what is happening around it? Plants' leaves will wilt if conditions are dry. People shiver if they are cold and sweat if they are hot. The dog pants when it's feeling hot. The ball shows no response to being hot. Respiration. Does it breathe or take in air to make energy? Breathing lets living things take in oxygen from the air. Plants also take in air to enable them to survive. The dog can be heard and felt to be breathing. The ball does not appear to be breathing. Excretion. Does it produce waste? Living things must get rid of waste from their body. Plants also do this through their leaves. They get rid of oxygen. Dogs certainly produce waste. The ball never seems to need cleaning up after. Nutrition. Does it need to eat or absorb other things to survive? Living things must eat and drink to stay alive. Plants do too. Dogs love to eat. The ball is not hungry. Reproduction. Does it have babies or make copies of itself? Here is the dog as a little puppy with its mother and brothers and sisters. The ball does not have parents or brothers and sisters. Let's take another look. In order to be grouped as a living object, it needs to grow, move, show sensitivity, breathe, excrete waste, take in nutrition, and reproduce. Sometimes scientists find it hard to decide if something is living or non-living. Some things are tricky to work out, like an apple in your lunchbox or a seed that hasn't started to grow yet. They have some features of living things, but not all of them. With your new knowledge, maybe you can think about whether some odd things are living or non-living.